SPC Maryland. And I've got a little surprise for you that I did not know happened last night. Look at my weather. They're all under a severe thunderstorm watch. And I missed it. It was during the middle of last night. So it was during the middle of the night. And, and by the way, I got a new radio. I forgot to make a video of it. See?
Sandy points to North Beach. Rest of the overnight. South winds 20 knots.
I think that's so many times.
Percent increased. Tonight, south.
Oh, this is what the alert light looks
to 20
like.
knots. Waves 2 feet.
Like that.
Southwest wind.
This one didn't get the weather alert because I had it off. But yeah.
Record high and high minimum temperatures set at Baltimore, Maryland. A record high temperature of 71 degrees was set at Baltimore, Maryland yesterday. This breaks the old record of 62 set in 2011. Also, a minimum temperature of 54 degrees broke the previous high minimum temperature record of 52 from 1895. Now for the national...
Yeah, they're not issuing any more alerts. I can't believe I missed it. But I don't know if we're still going to be in this. Look at this. So, I'm actually living in Maryland, and, sorry. So, as you can see, I live in Washington, which is right here, and it is all covered by severe thunderstorm watch, which means that, we're under it. So, yeah. Here's the rest. But what's so weird is that we're starting to see all of these different colors, like flash flood warnings, flash flood watches, like all the summer alert stuff. And tornado watches, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings. This is not making any sense. Yeah, it's so weird. This is EAS number 41. Severe thunderstorm watch. MISED.